Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and enjoying your good health. If you're not, then may God bless you with good health. So in today's video, I'll tell you that if you want to turn on monetization of your TikTok, then how you can do that. So simply you have to just unlock your phone as I've done, and then you have to just tap on TikTok. So here is the TikTok, and here I'll show you that you have to go into the profile icon. Here now you are in the profile icon, and then here you have to go into these three lines, and then after tapping on these three lines you will get these options on your screen. So you have to tap on TikTok Studio. So here you can see that these are all the options, and here you can see that these are the monetization programs that you can just avail. There are subscription programs, also creator reward programs, also creator marketplace, also work with artists, also video gifts also, and live incentive program also. So live incentive program is a very good program through which many TikTokers are earning a lot of money. So I just suggest you that if you have 1000 followers, then you can just go into your TikTok and you can just go into this setting, and then just you can start live incentive program. So for joining this program, you have to just tap here, and you can see that these are all the instructions that are given, that post videos about your live experience for a chance to get rewards. To be eligible for the rewards, you must agree to the following rules. So you have at least 1000 followers. So if you have 1000 followers, then you can join this. So be at least 18 years old. So if you are 18 years old, then you can also join it, and no recent content or live monetization violations. So you have to just follow these three rules. Then reward rules are: one, qualified videos based on the requirements of each topic will be eligible for rewards. Cash rewards will be calculated after per 1000 video views. If the budget becomes insufficient, you will receive a proportional share of the remaining amount with other eligible creators also. So by tapping on continue, you can just agree with the live incentive program terms, and then you can just join. So here you can see that a join button is not available. Why? Because a 1000 followers requirement is not fulfilled. So that's why I have not the option of just joining it right now. But if you have 1000 followers on your TikTok, so then you can just join live incentive program, and you can earn a lot of money on through the TikTok monetization. So there are also other programs of monetization. So if you want to just avail the opportunity, you can just apply to these programs also. And if you have 10,000 followers on TikTok, then you can just also go to the creator marketplace and creator reward programs also. Like here you can see that if we tap on creator reward programs, so there will be some of the requirements that are for the creator reward program. So collect rewards for your 1 minute plus videos and more rewards. Okay, so here is the requirement that you have at least 10,000 followers. So if you have 10,000 followers, or you have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, so if you are just eligible for this, then you can just join the live like a live monetization program also, and TikTok creator reward program also, and you can just monetize your TikTok and earn a lot of money. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, then give it a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.